known as reflection.
We can say that when the light falls on any opaque object and when the light then bounces back, then it is called reflection.
Yes. So in this chapter, we are going to revise regarding light, shadow, and reflection. First of all, light. How can you define light? Anyone? What is light? What is light? Yes, Ankita.
Ma'am, light is a form of energy that helps us to see.
So yes, it is a form of energy which enables us to see any other object. So how you are able to see? Suppose that is a source of light in your room or other outside there is a sun. The ray
Those
of
are called
light will the ray of light will fall on you or on me,
And ma'am,
and
it
that light
bounces.
gets bounced back or reflected back to the eyes of the others, and then our
Yes,
eyes
ma'am.
forms an image inside the eye, and as a result
Yes, ma'am.
we are able to see. Okay. Yes, Dipta.
those sources of lights are called luminous objects.
Yes, based on that, those who are having their own sources of light and those who are having not, we can categorize into two groups. One is the luminous
One is the opaque.
Yeah?
and the other one is
Ma'am, non-luminous.
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 So these are the just wait, I am just going to tell about those are other things. So these are the objects which are having their own light. They are called the luminous sources of light, and those doesn't have own light, they are called the non-luminous source. Okay, clear? For example, own source of light, can what can you give the example? For example,
Ma'am, sun. Ma'am, sun.
sun,
Ma'am,
sun
sun
and
is
Sun.
all other
artificial
star.
lighting.
Just one by one, raise your hands children, don't make up. Yes, Harshita will answer.
Ma'am, sun.
Sun. Okay,
Ma'am, sun is
then
a luminous object.
yes, Risha, yes,
Yes,
Risha,
ma'am.
bolo.
Ma'am,
Any
mine
other?
also. Ma'am, sun.
Sun and all other stars, they are all luminous
Ma'am,
source.
can I?
Okay, yes, Dipta.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, moon.
Moon is not a luminous source.
Ma'am,
Achal,
Ma'am,
Achal,
torch.
yes,
Ma'am,
torch,
red.
torch light,
Ma'am,
torch.
stars. Ma'am, stars. Red hot iron.
Wait, yes.
Ma'am,
So
ma'am,
yes,
stars.
you can see sun, torch, tube light.
ma'am,
These are all yes, Dutta.
Ma'am, stars.
One by one. I'm not getting. Dipta, what you are telling?
ma'am, there is also a animal source of light, ma'am. That's firefly.
Yes,
That's also
firefly.
luminous.
Yes, or it's called Jugnu. So from here you can see sun is there, torch is there, tube light is there, and firefly is there. Four examples I have written, and out
Ma'am,
of this,
a star is also there.
stars. The sun is also a star. I told you sun and all the other stars are
Yes, ma'am.
luminous source. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
they have own heat and light. Ma'am,
yes, they
burning
have their own
candle.
heat and
Sun is
light.
our
Yes.
closest.
Now from
Ma'am,
here we
burning candle.
burning candle. Yes, candle light. That is a burning candle is also a luminous source. Yes, Agam. Yes, Agam.
Ma'am, fire of red hot iron.
Uh, red hot iron. It gives.
Ma'am,
It's just
fire.
low. It
Ma'am,
doesn't.
ma'am, fireflies. Ma'am, fire.
Firefly we have
Fire.
written.
Ma'am,
Okay. So now just listen to me.
ma'am,
Just
bonfire.
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 Yes, bonfire, forest fire. These are all again. They are luminous. Yes, Agam Jod.
Ma'am, like bulb.
Bulb. Yes, we can add bulb.
Ma'am,
Yes,
firefly.
Ashmita. Yes, we have written firefly. Ashmita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you are raising your hands. Any other example? So from here we
Oh,
can categorize into
ma'am,
two main
laser.
groups also: natural luminous source and artificial luminous source. Ashmita, tell me which of these are natural luminous sources?
Ma'am, like natural are sun.
Only sun over
Sun. Can
here.
I?
Natural luminous. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am,
Rudra. Others mute yourself. Rudra.
Ma- ma'am, sun. Ma'am,
Yes.
stars. Ma'am,
Hmm.
fireflies.
Yes. Sun, star, and
Ma'am,
firefly is
and
the natural.
bonfire.
Bonfire, these are all natural luminous sources, and now what are the artificial ones like the candle,
Ma'am,
bulb, tube
light.
light? These are all
Bulb. Ma'am,
artificial.
candle.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Again from the natural source we can have some non-living source
magma.
and some living source. So give an example of a non-living source of luminous light. That is
Ma'am,
non-living luminous
ma'am,
source of
sun.
light. One by one.
Ma'am,
Aradhana,
sun. Ma'am,
Aradhana, Aradhana.
ma'am, ma'am, sun, torch,
Yes, yes,
tube
yes,
lights,
yes.
bulb,
Now,
bonfire.
yes. Now examples of luminous animal source or the living source, that will be firefly.
Ma'am,
Okay.
fireflies.
Yes.
Ma'am, fireflies.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
is it clear? Is it clear that light is a form of energy that enable us to see, and based on the source, that is, some objects are having their own source of heat and light, some are having not having, we can categorize them into luminous and non-luminous source. Again, that someone was telling that light can travel through different object. Based on that, objects are of three types. What are the three types of objects through
Ma'am.
which light can
Ma'am,
pass or
opaque,
not?
Ma'am,
transparent,
opaque,
translucent.
transparent,
Translucent.
Opaque,
Ma'am, opaque,
transparent.
Ma'am, opaque, transparent, translucent.
Translucent. So these are the three types of objects through which light can pass or not, that we are going to see. Through opaque object, light is not able to pass
ma'am,
at
light
all.
cannot pass
Ma'am,
through.
Through trans
translucent object.
Ma'am, it
Transparent
can
light
pass through
Wait,
completely and
wait,
easily.
everyone just mute yourself, raise your hands only. As you're telling, it will be becoming clumsy, I'm not able to hear. So transparent object is an object through which light can pass totally. And translucent object is an object through which light can pass
Ma'am, partial.
partially. Okay. Now
Partially.
Ayush, give me some example of opaque object. Ayush Pade, give me some example of opaque
मैम
object.
मैम वॉल
Yes, ball. Okay. Fast, be fast.
एंड
अभी
मैम
चालू
वॉल
करो. Hmm?
मैम वॉल WALL
Wall. Okay. Your pen, your pencil. Yes, Agamjot. Give examples of some transparent
Ma'am,
object. Only transparent. Agamjot.
Ma'am, window.
Window pane. Window, okay. Or window glass. You can have to say the window glass. Okay. Any other? Harshita,
ma'am,
transparent object.
ma'am,
One by one, Aradhana. Don't say ma'am, raise your
Ma'am,
hands. Harshita, transparent object. Through which light
Ma'am,
can pass totally. Yes.
ma'am, ma'am,
Be fast.
can I?
Bolo.
ma'am,
Yes,
can I?
yes,
Can I?
Aryan.
Ma'am, butter
Ma'am,
paper.
Butter paper is transparent.
ma'am
I'm
is
asking about
example of
transparent.
translucent
ma'am,
object.
No,
Sorry,
I'm asking
ma'am.
about
plastic wrap.
transparent. Transparent.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Can I?
plastic
Ma'am,
wrap.
spectacles. Ma'am,
Spectacles.
spectacles.
Yes,
cellophane.
spectacles.
Ma'am, cellophane. Ma'am, even
Ma'am,
cellophane.
water. Ma'am,
Cellophane.
water.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am, water and
plastic
glass.
bottles.
Ma'am, water and glass.
Ma'am, plastic bottles.
Yes. So these are examples
Ma'am,
of
plastic
transparent.
pouch.
Ma'am,
Yes.
plastic
Plastic
wrap.
Now,
pouch.
now
Ma'am,
again you're talking together, children. How can I know that who is telling? Okay.
Ma'am, plastic
Next,
wrap.
examples of
ma'am,
translucent.
translucent.
Arpit will answer. Others mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
paper. Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am,
Bolo.
ma'am, butter.
Butter paper, or
Ma'am, butter
any other
paper.
thing. Devanshi. Others mute
Ma'am,
yourself.
tracing paper.
Tracing paper. Yes, Ankita. Any other?
Ma'am, human body.
Human body sometimes, some parts, the thin part of our body, maybe our palm, but not your whole body. It's not an
Yes.
that it is a opaque one,
Ma'am,
because
the palm of our
only
hand.
the palm, the thin part of your body, it will maybe translucent. Anything else?
Ma'am,
Smoke.
ma'am, a sheet of polythene.
Achal, what's your, yes, sheet of
No.
polythene, colored polythene, okay? Yes, Achal Kushwaha. Achal is
Ma'am,
giving some
colored bottle. Ma'am,
yes,
colored bottle.
colored bottle, yes.
Ma'am, a
Ma'am,
frosted.
colored glass.
A frosted glass,
Ma'am,
okay. These are all
smoke.
examples. Please do write it
Ma'am,
out. All
smoke.
Ma'am, smoke.
yes, these are
Ma'am,
all
dirty
examples.
word.
So is it clear based on
Ma'am,
the passage of electric, question may come that classify objects based on the passage of light through them. So on them there are three categories: opaque, transparent and translucent objects.
Translucent.
All
And
the examples
sunglasses.
that we have read, please do write. That we have discussed, please do write the examples of this type of objects. Okay, clear? This is clear?
Okay, ma'am. Transparent
Ma'am,
objects.
air is also
Ma'am,
a
in translucent
transparent object.
sunglasses
And
will also.
then the
Ma'am,
next
in
topic, will I just
transparent
rub
I
the
have.
board? Will I just rub the board? All of you have written.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
in transparent I have one topic.
हाँ बोलो. Yes, Sashmita.
Ma'am, air.
It is, yes, air is also transparent. Yes, clean air is a
Ma'am,
transparent.
And
You can
plastic wrap.
consider as
Ma'am,
And
transparent.
smoke
ma'am,
Now,
clear
ashes
plastic wrap.
now
is
one more.
opaque. Ma'am,
Now
ma'am,
one more
smoke.
thing. Just you think. Yes, yes. Now come to the next topic, that is shadow. Okay. So
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
going to tell you no, one by one. Okay. Rudra, you want to answer?
Ma'am, I
Who
want
else
to
can
answer.
answer? Yes, Rudra. Tell me how shadow is formed.
Shadow is formed when a part of light blocked by an opaque object.
So opaque. It is called opaque. The pronunciation will be opaque. Okay. So suppose
Okay,
there is a
ma'am.
source of light. Okay. It is a source.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Dipta. Source of light. So yes.
Ma'am, when an opaque or a translucent object comes in the path of light, then a shadow is formed.
Yes, very good. So this is a source of light. Children, you can see this is a source of light. Source of
Yes.
light. So I'm placing some object that is opaque. That is, light cannot pass through it. So what will happen? The light coming from the source of light, they will not able to travel in this region. So what will happen? There will be a dark color shadow will be formed on a screen
Ma'am,
placed
black
behind it.
color. Ma'am,
Dark,
black.
dark black colored shadow will be formed on the screen that we have placed behind the object. Okay,
Yes,
so a
ma'am.
shadow is formed when a object that is opaque or translucent. Translucent object होगा तो क्या होगा? The shadow will be lighter. And if it
Ma'am,
is an
like
opaque object, the
grays.
shadow will be bright. That is bright dark, totally dark. But if it is translucent, some part of the light can reach over here and some light will not reach. So it will be a faint shadow. Okay, am I clear? Shadows, both due to transparent and translucent object, shadows are formed. But due to opaque object, the shadow will be much more darker than that of the translucent object. So what are the requirements for a shadow,
Ma'am,
Aradhna?
shadow is also produced by ma'am human body.
Yes, shadow, every we are just opaque object. Okay, we can, if you just stand in
Ma'am,
front of the sun or any source, you
ma'am,
can
that.
have the shadow. Sometimes
Light.
can you see, sometimes आप लोग क्या करते हैं ना घर में, that light source is there and the opposite side you just take your hand and make shape, different shape. Can you see my shadow?
Ma'am, I
Shadow
always
of the
make.
hand. Yes,
Yes.
so you can make a flower, snake, butterfly, fish, everything. You are able to see the shadow. So what are the requirements for shadow? What do you need for a shadow to be formed?
Ma'am, we need
Aradhna.
for shadow is a source of light,
Mhm.
a screen, and an opaque object.
Okay. So you need a source of light, very important, opaque or translucent object, and a screen on which the shadow will be formed. Yes, Dipta, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear, children? So very important. The
Yes,
diagram
ma'am.
you have to practice. Along with that, what are the requirements of shadow? That you have to. And the object should be placed in between the source of light and the screen. If the object is placed present behind the screen, will the shadow will be formed? No, the shadow will not be
No,
formed.
ma'am.
If the object is placed behind the source of light, will the shadow be formed? No. So the
No,
reason is
ma'am.
that the position, first of all, the source of light, then the opaque object or the translucent object, and then the screen. Then only shadow will be formed. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Am I clear? Others, everyone, am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone
Yes,
should be
ma'am.
present, children. ऐसे सब कल से हर दिन क्लास करोगे, सारे periods, है ना? आप लोग करोगे ना? Because this class is for you. Yes, Dipta, any doubt?
Ma'am, it also can be translucent object, not only opaque.
I told you, I have mentioned over here, I have not written the translucent, but it is yes. Next, the next one is the reflection. Reflection of light. What is it? What is reflection? If it is a plane path surface, if a ray of light falls on the surface, it will bounce back. So the bouncing back of light is called
Ma'am, the bouncing back of the light is called
the
reflection.
bouncing back of light is called reflection. But suppose a ray of light is coming at 90 degree, then what will happen after reflection? It will bounce back at the same path, है ना? जहाँ जैसे आएंगे वैसे ही bounce back करेंगे. So this is called the normal. Do you remember? We have done. This is called the normal ray. So normal को छोड़ के if the ray comes
This is incident ray. Ma'am, incident ray.
yes, the ray that is falling on the surface, that is called the incident ray.
Ma'am, and the ray which is bouncing back is called the reflected ray.
And which is bouncing back is called the reflected ray.
Reflected.
Clear?
And this
Clear,
is
children?
normal ray.
Clear? So normal means where it is incident and also they are bouncing back in the same path, as because it has fallen on an angle of 90 degree. It doesn't get deviated. So in the other cases, in all other cases, if any other place the light is coming, it will incident on a place and it will bounce back, making an angle with the normal. Okay. So the incident ray that is making an angle with a normal, it is called the angle of incidence. And the angle the reflected ray is making with the normal is called the angle of reflection.
Excuse me, ma'am. Could you please send the image of this, because this is more informative.
Yes.
Ma'am, but you have already.
Ma'am, once you have done.
Ma'am, you have already done important point.
So no problem. Again, I'm going to send. Again, I'm going to send. Okay, because it's very important, children. These informations, these levelings are very important. Yes, Agamjot, bolo.
Like mirror is a good example of like reflection.
Reflector. So the object that reflects is called the reflector, and the process is called reflection. Yes, a mirror is a good reflector because it's shiny and it's very smooth. That is why. And also you should keep it in mind that mirror is an opaque object. It's not a translucent or transparent object. It is an opaque object. So mirror
Yes, ma'am.
if you put light on the mirror, at the back of the mirror there will be a shadow of the mirror. It is a reflecting surface. At the same time, it is an opaque object. Mirror is an opaque object. Am I clear? This much is clear to all of you.
Besides, it is a good, ma'am.
Yes. So we have read about luminous and non-luminous source of light, different types of objects through which light can pass, transparent, opaque, and translucent. And along with that, we have also read about shadow, where the shadow is formed when there is a source of light. Yes, and it's falling on an object, opaque or translucent object, a shadow will be formed on the screen. Three things that we need: source of light, the object, and the screen. Later we have read about reflection. Reflection is the bouncing back of light. The light ray that is falling is called the incident ray, and that is bouncing back is called the angle of reflection. If the incident ray is falling at an angle of 90 degree, that is vertically on the surface, it will bounce back on the same path and it is known as normal. Okay, the angle that the incident ray is making with the normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle that is the angle of reflection is making with the normal is called angle of reflection. By rule of reflection, angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. If the angle is A, this is I, and this angle is A, then angle you know in maths how to write angle is equals to angle A. A means, no, don't write A, it is R. Angle of reflection. Am I clear? Is this clear? I'm sending Aradhna. I'm sending the pic. So please do revise. Yes. I think I am having one more period today or not? No. If I'm having, I will take a test, or tomorrow I'm going to take a test on this chapter. So it's very important. Diagrams are important. Thoroughly revise. Okay. Okay then. Thank you, children. And everyone should be there in the class every day.